Today I'm going to show you Aloo Bhindi Sukha. It's also called as dry okra and potato. For this we need 1 pound of clean fresh okras, 1 medium size diced potatoes, 1 finely chopped onions, around 3-4 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, or you can use minced ginger garlic. I have used crushed ginger garlic. Few curry leaves, 1 finely chopped green chili, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of dry mango powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, around 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of asafoetida, salt to taste, and you need oil to deep fry. Non-stick kadai to deep fry okras. So I'm going to put okras into the kadai. And fry until they are cooked well. So it's time for me to take out on a paper towel. Paper towel helps to absorb the excess oil. You can see it's fried well, it's tender. Now I'll go ahead and put diced potatoes into the oil. And fry until they are nice and crisp. You can see the potatoes are nicely done. It's brown in color, they are crispy. I can remove it from the oil on a paper towel. Just drain the excess oil. Have to take a non-stick kadai and just add 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil. You don't have to put a lot of oil because we have already fried okra and potatoes. So my oil is looking hot, so I'll just put a pinch of asafoetida, mustard seeds, add cumin seeds, saute, green chilies. This is optional. If you don't want more spicy, you don't have to use this. Curry leaves, and now chopped onions. Fry onions until they are completely done. You can add little salt. Once the onions are cooked half, you can add ginger garlic and mix it well. Fried well. It's time to add turmeric powder, powder, mango powder, chili powder. Mix it. If you think your mixture is very dry, you can add 1 teaspoon of oil. And now at the end, I'll add garam masala powder. And now fried okras and potatoes. Mix it nicely. Aloo Bhindi Sukka is ready now. I'm going to remove it on a plate. Aloo Bhindi goes well with plain paratha or roti. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching my video.